Hello, you're welcome to my channel Black Angel 202, and my name is Frank. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to change background on your video. Many of you have been asking me, how do I change background on my video? And today I'm going to show you. It's very easy and simple. I'm going to show you how to do that with your smartphone. Very easy. So if it is your first time watching my video on Facebook or YouTube, kindly go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon so you get a notification whenever I drop a new video. Let's check it out.
Make sense, not the ganga.